soft, none of them the same. And in that glow, where the silence grows, I find a rhythm only my spirit knows. Rise in the blue light, let the shadows fade out of sight. Flow where the mind feels light, lift with the glow of the night. Rise in the blue light, where everything lands just right. No pressure, no way to fight. Just rise in the blue light. A distant hum echoes through my chest. Not a warning, more a quiet request. It guides me gently through the hidden doors, to the parts of me I've never explored. Nothing rushed, nothing forced to move, just pieces shifting to a calmer groove. And in this space, where my senses bend, I start to meet myself again. Rise in the blue light, let the shadows fade out of sight. Flow where the mind feels light, lift with the glow of the night. Rise in the blue light, where everything lands just right. No pressure, no way to fight. Just rise in the blue light. If the world feels sharp outside, stay here, let the colors guide. Let go of the lines you used to follow, drift into a softer tomorrow. And when the dawn starts tracing the room, turning the haze into shades of bloom, I carry with me what the night revealed, a calm I didn't know I could build. The day begins, but the glow remains, a quiet ease running through my veins. And in that shift between dark and bright, I rise again in the blue light. Rise in the blue light.